Happy Mother's Day, everyone, and you guys know what time it is. Remember our Cricut Joy giveaway? Do I have to remind you? I know you guys have been waiting. We have a winner of this wonderful, amazing, small, compact machine. Am I going on and on and on? Yes, I am. I'm still excited. I'm still making projects with mine. So, following all the rules and regulations and guidelines around this giveaway, my impulsive giveaway, we have a winner after much research and verification. And the winner is L.J. McRae. So L.J. McRae, check your emails, respond, check your IG messenger, respond. We have a Cricut Joy waiting to be sent to you. Congratulations, you have 48 hours to respond, or we will have to select another winner. This isn't the last giveaway, guys. There's more to come. Congratulations out there, and happy Mother's Day.